Hi guys, this is just a quick unboxing of the Telesin Master Grip. So this is basically a MagSafe type of a camera grip you can have on your iPhone. As you can see, I've got my iPhone 15 Pro Max here. And this thing, as you can see, it's for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So it turns it basically into a camera, a handheld camera. You wouldn't use it all the time, probably when you're just going on holidays and you know that you're going to take photos, you know, you're going on a bit of an adventure. And it also comes with a 3200 milliamp battery, a wireless charging battery. So once you click it on with the MagSafe attachment, it also charges your phone also. And what's in here is a phone case. So this is the combo pack. The combo pack is a little bit more expensive than the standard pack. Standard pack just has, I believe just the case and the grip. But the combo pack has, you've got your lighting in there too. So you've got the phone case, the master grip, the magnetic selfie light, UV filter, charging cable, wrist strap, user guide. So the combo pack, I believe, has the phone case and the selfie light, the magnetic selfie light also in there. So let's go ahead and open this up. This was about a little over $100, I believe. So let's open this up. And like I said, it's not something you're going to use all the time, only if you know you're going on holiday and, you know, on a particular day, if you're going to go hiking or, you know, somewhere where a lot of photos will be taken and you just don't want to take it with just holding your phone and with one hand and with the other hand trying to zoom in and out and whatnot. Then you've got this where you just hold it with one hand and then you just zoom in and out using all the buttons on the master grip. So this is the phone case. So I believe this is made out of really light aluminum, very, very light aluminum. You've got the MagSafe magnet in there. So it's very light, very light. So this would definitely go in there. Now I'm not gonna put this in there because what I want to see is, because I've got my own case, so I want to see if that master grip is able to be used with your own case. So these are just the instructions, I believe. Look, what are these? Oh, I believe these, I'm not sure what these are. It seems like a backing plate or something, or a screen protector, something, I'm not sure. I'll tell you guys. Instructions for your selfie light, I think some installation, kit wiping, the manual, and this is, I believe, the guide to apply this. I'm not sure what it is. What is it? It's an anti-reflective tempered glass for iPhone, anti-reflection. So it is a screen protector. I really don't need this, guys, because I've already got one on here, a privacy glass one, so, and that's the guide for it, I suppose. There you go, your selfie light. So you've got a mirror also on one side, and that'll be the magnetic bit. So let me see if that, well, let me pull this off. Oh, that's just for the mirror. Now, there you go. It's got to stick on the right stuff, but more than that, let's get the grip out. What's in this? Now on the reviews, guys, people are saying, oh, that's just your your handle. Now on the reviews it clearly says that the magnetic the MagSafe grip on this is fairly strong, so I hope those reviews were right, because I can then tell you that it is strong or not. Oh, it doesn't feel strong. Oh, there you go. It's strong now. Yep, it is strong. All right, so there you go. And that's how it operates. Sorry, this phone isn't, I'm still using my iPhone 15 Pro Max at the moment, so this 17 Pro Max I haven't still started to use yet, so I'm not going to turn it on because I need to set it up. But yeah, but that's all right. So this is where you take your shots, you do your zoom. As you can see, you do your zoom in and out, your shots here. This is your menu button, what function you want it on, and another button for that. And then this, your selfie one, if you are going to use that, clicks onto that, and then you can have the light on here. I suppose you can charge it there too. So there you go. There you go. Bit of a light there. Oh, there you go. It's got ambient LED. Let me see if there's a oh yeah, there's a brightness to it too. Well, that's nice. That's okay. And you can actually also face this backwards to, you know, to get light on something else that you're shooting. So you can go hands-free one hand, as you can see. Okay, so if you're going to use this a lot, you're going, you know, outside just for photos, you're not going to take a lot of photos, so this is it. You take this in one-hand operation. Now, I have got a MagSafe, Mag Easy case. Now, I want to see how it goes on that. Oh, something else I forgot. So this goes on this case, I suppose. There you go. So that goes on that case here. Pretty sure. Yeah, that clicks on here. Take that off. There you go. So that clicks on here. It's got a groove. Yep, there we go. So that sits on there, and you can have this on as a case, like this, which is pretty neat, I would say. See, the thing is, I would use this case, but it's just, there's no protection on the edges. But I like this, how you've got that case cover. But there is just no protection. It's very thin, extremely thin. You know, like if this falls, I'm pretty sure that'll dent, that'll cave in, and then, you know, your iPhone's gonna get damaged also. So the case I use is, where's my case, if I can show you guys? I've got the Mag Easy case. See, it's got the bumpers. This is the Mag Easy Ultra Odyssey, the Mag Easy Odyssey Ultra M case. So this is like over $100, I think $140, $150. So I'll be using this as my everyday case. It comes with a different you know, lanyard, a different belt. I've just put one on myself. It doesn't come with this belt. There's a longer belt. You can watch my video to see the review on this case, the Mag Easy case. It's about $150 I paid for it. You can change the bumpers on it. Interchangeable bumpers come in the pack. There's a big belt that comes, you can put around your neck. So like I said, subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel. You can see all my other videos. So you can see the review on this. Now I want to see if this thing actually, let me turn this off, actually grips on this. Oh, perfect. Yep. It's got a good grip, but then it moves for some reason. Yeah. See, because this moves, that rotates. Because that rotates, so then this rotates too. So I don't know if I'll be able to use this on this or not. I really don't know. I really don't know if I can use this on that, because that means then I have to get rid of this case and just use it on the phone itself. I suppose I could. If not, I could probably give one of these away to my subscribers. Help me to get guys at least about a 500 subscribers. Like I said, it's a new channel. Help me to get about 500 subscribers, and I'll probably give these out to one of you guys. It's brand new. I don't think I'll even use it. I'll send this out to one of you guys. Okay. All right. Well, that was it. That was the review for the Telesin Master Grip. So I'm not too keen on the case. As you can see, it's not, you know, but it's okay. It's all right. I mean, at least you get the protector for your cameras. So I'll leave this like this. Now, I don't think I'm going to use this, guys, but if I get 500 subscribers within the next month, if I can reach my goal of getting 500 subscribers within the next month or two, I'll probably send this out to one of you guys. I'll pick someone out and I'll send this out to one of you guys. I'll do something. I'll announce how I can give it out. Maybe, you know, I'll figure something out, but I'll give this out to one of you guys once I reach 500 subscribers. As long as I reach it within the next 2 months, I'll pick someone out and I'll send this out to them. Anyone who's going to give me a nice comment with this, and if I reach 500 subscribers within the next 2 months, I'll send this out to one of you guys. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. If this video helped you out, if it's helped you out, or if you like the video, if you like the content, then please subscribe to the channel. Like and share. Thank you very much.